What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your mature content settings on Stripe. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or steampower.com. After that, at the top, you will see the login button. Click on that login button, and if you have old a Steam account, simply log in, or if you don't have a Steam account, just click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and the credentials. Create your new Steam account. Now after that, on the left side, you will see the option to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now after installing the Steam application, you will see this type of Steam dashboard. And from here on the right side, click on your profile and then click on Store Preferences. Now from here, you can see the store and community sections. From here, if you are comfortable, you can check and uncheck these requirements and check boxes according to your requirements. Like this is the adult only, this is the frequent, this one is the some content, and this is the frequent or violence or gore. You can just adjust these settings according to your requirements and whatever you are comfortable with. And when you are done, just simply close this and it will automatically save all your progress. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.